funds na nire-label lamang or nire-badge ng Grayscale mga kamiranda into Ethereum ETF. At in comparison, yung totoong organic asset under management na kabibili pa lamang is $1.4 billion. Ang $1.4 billion ay napakaliit na pera katumbas ng $400 billion worth of market capitalization. So kung tutuusin, at least nakatulong ito para hindi talaga dumausdos ang presyo ng Ethereum because of the sell-on news. Pero syempre, meron pa ring effect ito sa correlation kay Bitcoin mga kamiranda. When I say correlation, of course, Ethereum ay correlated asset. Ngayon po ay nagkakaroon ng bentahan dahil nag-distribute na po ang Mt. Gox creditors to Kraken and to Bitstamp Exchange. And Bitstamp and Kraken are now distributing those Bitcoin for redemption to their creditors, which means nagpapalit na po ang mga traders ng Bitcoin to fiat. More to come on this, kamiranda. If you would like to learn more about crypto, please follow me at maraming salamat po.